in this, yes, somebody's saying something. We can move on. So we want to check for the duplicates now. So we want to go to V now. Under V, yes, we want to create a new variable called exact. And there's nothing special about exact. It's just that, yeah, you can click on there and type it and give it a name, exact. Correct. Now we're gonna call it exact. Then just below exact, we want to equal sign Excel. We want to check if Dana and Andrea are the same. If they are the same, we want to check if Andrea and Andrine are the same. Andrine and Aladdin are the same. Aladdin and Aladdin are the same. Aladdin and Alfonso are the same. Alfonso and Allegra are the same. So we put equal sign exact, the word exact, type exact, exact, E, yes, EX, then double click on it. Excel will tell you if you want to do an exact check, you need the text, right? The first one, comma, the second one, right? And close brackets. So we want to check if the first person, Adena, if you click on Adena, yes, comma. If Adena is the same as the one below, which is Andrea, or yes. And then close brackets. Close bracket, enter. So Excel is telling us no. And then based on our concoction, and Andrea are not the same. Want to copy that for all of them. Copy the formula. Yes. Right. So if we check, just eyeball, you can just go down just slightly. You can see you have false, 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 false. These are not duplicates, but when we get there, we can see Brendan Duke. It tells us the Brendan Duke we've seen, that is a male that is 22 years old and is at what, 6 months. We have 2 people of the same in this database, okay? And they're taking up, right. So just go down again, we can see there's Chase Fleming as well. That is saying these are the same, might be the same people, right? So Excel is identifying there are people in this database that are what? Have been entered once, at least twice. Right, there's another function that I want us to check, and this can help us going forward with almost anything else. This function is called, I'll tell you just now, it's filtering. Some of us may have used filtering. Right, so filtering helps us to filter. No, it's not a formula, it's just a function. So if you go to number 1, if you click on 1, right at the top right, top left center, top left, just go to top left 1, right, click on 1. Do you click on it? Yes. Then you go to home on top there, where now at data you want to go home, which is our usual one, and then you go all the way to the right hand side. There's a funnel on the right hand side. funnel. Yes, click on that selection. Did you click on it? Then there's right towards the bottom, it says filter. Filter. Yes. Now filter will give you the drop down of what is inside each one of these variables. Okay. So if you check outcome, for example, number S. If you go to S, no, you don't need to move around. Just go to S. Yes. Click on the drop down. We can see the outcomes for the patients. Just click on it. The outcomes are what? People either have died, have recovered, or is unknown. Right? If you go to treatment, for example, just cancel. Just go cancel. Treatment. Those are the types of treatment that people have been offered. There are 4 types of maybe 3 plus those that have no treatment. Just go to cancel. So filter helps us to see what is within this data, within this variable. Now let's go to exact. Exact, obviously we're imagining there is only true and only false. Now we are interested in the trues because the trues means these are truly identical. So if you go to under select all, just uncheck false, right? Meaning you've checked true. True is the one that is checked. Just go to OK. OK. Yes. So we wait for the true ones now. Those ones that are false, meaning they're not duplicated. Now I want to say, these are the people that Excel has function identified as possible duplicates. Now, if you look at the bottom left of your screen, where there's those names of your files, your edit, your originals, right at the bottom, you will see, I actually cannot see your screen because of this little thing here that is blocking my view. You will see it will tell that you have 19 of 135. Yes. So right at the bottom of the sheet that you've opened, below the name of this sheet, remember we've named this thing edit something. Right at the bottom, you see ready. I'm talking about the name of the file where it says edit at the bottom. Are you there? Right below edit, there is something that says ready. Yes. So when we filter, remember when we filter, we've now removed all the falses, we remained with the trues. So it's saying that we have 19 out of the 135 that are what are showing as true duplicates. If we do the same, I just want to show you how this filter works. Okay, let's stick to this. We have 130. We have 19 of 135 that are true. Now, for us to be able to see them nicely, you can highlight the trues and you give them a color. The first true, yes, you just go to right at the top where there's font and area. Yes, okay, you can do that. Give them that yellow color. Give them the yellow color. Now that's fine. No, you don't have to know it. That's okay. The red is good as well. This black is fine. Then remove the filter. So you just go next to that exact. Remember now we've highlighted the 19, right? Then we'll bring back those falses. Yes. Click on that. Click on the true.